to episode 3 of Maintenance Motorway. In our previous episode, we talked about knowing the dangers associated with incorrect tire pressures. Today, we will talk about the dangers associated with driving with worn-out tires. Stay tuned. Regular tires have tread. Unlike race car tires, which do not have any tread at all, regular tires are designed with a tread to keep a car stable and safe in different road conditions. The tread pattern of a tire are designed to displace water so that the tire and the road maintain contact. But since rainy days are inevitable in most parts of the country or snow in most countries, tires with treads are the best option for safe driving. Tread patterns also allow the tire to dig into the ground surface for better grip, such as when driving on sand, dirt, mud, or icy roads. In these conditions, tread depths can facilitate safer driving, better handling, and a more comfortable ride. It is extremely dangerous to drive on worn, bowed, and low tread tires. For example, when roads are wet, worn tires affect a car's ability to brake quickly and effectively. Cars are more likely to hydroplane with low tread tires. Worn and bowed tires are not able to gain traction on snow-covered, wet roads and icy roads. Low tread tires are more susceptible to punctures, which can lead to sudden blowouts. Worn tires are more likely to lose air pressure, which impacts a car's fuel economy, braking, and steering. That's all for today. In our next episode, we will talk about selecting the correct tire treads for your car. And remember, don't drink and drive, don't text and drive, and always practice defensive driving.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all our social media pages: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and TikTok at AutoShack Ghana for other educational content.